Welcome to solverfy.
We can calculate a B magnetic field at each point from the Biot-Savart law equation that says a B at the point R can be calculated as nu times q, the charge on particle, times a velocity vector times r unit vector multiplies divided by 4 pi r square. This we can write further mu qv cross r divided by 4 pi times r cubed. Since we can define a unit vector is simply a vector divided by the vector magnitude r, where v we have is 8 times 10 to the power 6 meter per second in the j direction, and r is the vector from the charge to the point where the field is calculated. For part A, we have r vector that is 0.500 meter in I direction, having a magnitude r which is 0.500 meter. Then we can write v cross r will be simply minus Vr in k direction. We'll substitute this value in our formula for B. So B is then minus mu naught qv divided by 4 pi r square k. Substituting a values, this is minus 1 times 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere is nu, times charge is 6 times 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, times v we have 8 times 10 to the power 6 meter per second, and this is in a k direction, the whole vector, divided by the r which is 0.500 square. From here we get a b to be minus 1.92 times 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla in k direction. Part B, for r is equal to minus 0.500 meter. This is in a j direction, where r we have is 0.500 meter. Again, using the same procedure, we can just substitute the value for v cross r, which we get here to be minus vrj cross j. This gives us 0, and hence our b will be 0, because this whole factor is 0, so our b will be 0. Part C, for r, which is 0.500 meter in k unit vector direction, or r is equal to 0.500 meter, this is the magnitude, we can write a v cross r. V cross r will be vr times j cross k. So j cross k gives us here I, so we can write vri unit vector, substituting a values for a b which is 1 times 10 to the power minus 7 times 6 times 10 to the power minus 6 times 8 times 10 to the power 6 in I direction, divided by the magnitude square, which is 0.50 square. This gives us plus 1.92 times 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. This is in I direction. Similarly, part D, for r is equal to minus 0.500 meter in j direction, plus 0.500 meter in k direction. We can write r will be simply the square of these magnitudes, square root of these magnitudes, which is 0.500 square plus 0.500 square. This gives us 0.7071 meter. From here, then we can find a b by substituting the value for a v cross r. First, v cross r will be then v times 0.500 meter minus j cross j plus j cross k. This gives us V cross R to be 4 times 10 to the power 6 I. And from here, substituting a value for a B, which is, so let me choose another page. So B will be here 1 cross 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere times 6 times 10 to the power minus 6 Coulomb times 4 times 10 to the power 6 meter per second divided by the magnitude, which we found to be 0.7071 meter cube here. And this gives us, so this is in I direction, this gives us plus 6.79 times 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla in I direction.